Good afternoon. What up, Oracle? Punisher in the house. Sung Flung Poo. Lost Penny. Did I eat my bologna sandwich? I did. The bologna was amazing. I ate it. I ate the bologna. Look for a long here on a retest. What up, Francis? A retest of the PM high here at 912. Be looking for a long out of that level. Going to go 25-point stop on it. 25-point take profit. 2 micros. I'll actually take one off at the high. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if that's a smart decision or not. I don't know. It's a trade I would pretty much take every time. So Francis can't trade Asia for nothing. Yeah, I'm with you on that sometimes. Sometimes it's the truth. All right, I think I'm tagged in here. I'm tagged in here. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? I don't know. Maybe it's the wrong move. I don't know. But that's what we're doing. What do we got? 27 up there. Profit already done for the day. Let's go. You live 2 blocks away from Boar's Head Factory. Interesting. Interesante. I guess I should post in the Discord that we're live. Let's do that now. We are live. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm long here. Look for the push through the high. And then we'll look for the push up into the 37s. So see kind of what happens. Bushwick, Brooklyn, Boar's Head Factory. Bushwick, Brooklyn, Boar's Head. Yeah, let's check it out. What up, Tony? Boar's Head. I do like some Boar's Head. You're in on a gold buy? I haven't even looked at gold or anything yet tonight. What's be gold doing? Oil big wick there at the, oh wow, 2 o'clock. Silver, nice little breakout here on silver. Yeah, gold's pushing up for sure. Breaking out of that trend line again. Hola, Eric. Hola. So this is that trade that that kind of Husk and I talk about quite often. PM high, PM low. If we build structure above the PM high or below the PM low, we like to take the retest, 25-point stop, 25-point take profit. Just kind of a 1-for-1. Works out pretty well. It's kind of a no stress trade. It either works or it doesn't. You're not really going to worry, you're not stressed out about it. Either works or it doesn't. Simple enough, right? Simple enough. So that kind of deal there. I will take one off at the high, 26.75. Don't want to be unreasonable about that, 27 area. And then we'll We'll let a runner run. Guys, we don't need that many subs to get to 8,500 here. We need 18 more subs. We should be able to make it there tonight, potentially. If we can make it to that 8,500 tonight, I will do that special thing for you guys. That special thing, if you know what that is. We'll get that special thing going. That thing is just a giveaway, guys. It's not anything crazy. For you dirty-minded folks in here. Make a bunch of YouTube accounts. All right, let's go, Sean. You the man. Get in there. I'll take them however I can get them. You know, I'm not that popular of a person, so I don't mind them. I don't mind the alt accounts. Get them in there. Oh, buying you a hooker? Nah, no, can't do nothing like that. Nope. Sean, when we gonna get some poker going, man? People have been asking. I've had 3 or 4 people ask me over the last few days. They're like, yo, you guys used to play poker all the time. Now you don't play anymore. What's up? I'm like, I don't know. I have no idea. Sean, I also want to get with you on that about something going on. Gotta ask you about something. I'll send you a DM. Yeah, I'm good with Thursday. U.S. dollar goes down, 11% inflation increase. We have to pay more money for things outside of the country. Let's get this thing going. All good, Sean. I will. If you're not asleep, you might be asleep. Maybe you will. I don't know. Maybe you won't. All right, let's see what happens here. This is going to be a slow-moving trade. I can already tell. I mean, what kind of range are we in tonight? This is pretty rugged, pretty tight. 41-point range. I'll be off at 10, Sean. 10 Eastern, so probably 9 o'clock your time. Nine o'clock. Oh, I forgot all about it. I'm supposed to message somebody. Gold trying your patience. What's gold doing? A little pullback? Got a little pullback on gold there. I mean, gold did bounce off a nice trend line to the upside earlier in the day around 230. Yeah, kind of holding that. Maybe push back up into like that 46.34 area potentially. Yeah. I wonder why that's... Oh, because it hasn't opened yet. That's why. That is why. As you guys come in, please hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You know all the things, all them things. Let me do something I never do. I'm going to share the stream on social media. I never do that. What up, Tam? What is this? Oh. Let's find the stream. Methodical man. Going pretty good, Tambry. We're just hanging out. Currently in a long. It'll be going better if this works out in our favor. So I did already scalp along. Wait, is this now? I haven't been streaming for 33 minutes, have I? No. What video is that? What's going on here? I can't see my own video. Again, we got a 25-point stop here, 25-point take profit. It's just a mechanical trade. There we go. Now I can find it. Let's share it on the social medias. There we go. We share. We share. We share. What the world? Some of this stuff on social media is so crazy. I don't know. Let me get back on the 5-minute chart over here. I accidentally switched over to something else. Excuse me. Again, we're holding the long here. This is the long I would take every single time. Every single time without hesitation. Anybody, what's everybody's bias tonight? Are you in a long? Do you short bias? What are you thinking? You think we move up? We move down? I don't know. What do you guys think? Why explain, please, Professor? Music creator, what do you mean? Explain what I'm doing? I'm long. I want price to go up. You think it's going to go to the right? Very astute analysis from Trader Oracle there. Oracle, I'm beginning to figure out the template. I used it today for a couple of entries. One was a bad entry that you kind of pointed out. You're like, hey, that's counter trend. Really didn't think about that at the time, but it was. But yeah, I used it today for a couple of entries. It was quite nice. You think it's going to drop? Oh, no, Tony B. No, don't fade me, bro. You turned off your computer, lost penny. That's perfect. I do not blame you 1 minute. Dute, the crypto surfer. What up? Good afternoon. Good evening. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. That should be my sign, or what do you call it? That should be my tag line. ES breaking above the 7,000 here, back to 7,001. Why you take it all day? Because it's a beautiful. Oh, no, music creator, because we're above the PM high. So we're above the afternoon high. We built structure above the afternoon high and we retested it. So this is a trade that I would take all day. 25-point stop, 25-point take profit. Yeah. That's why. You're in a gold long, 46.24. I think I like that level. Let me see. I mean, seems. Yeah, I mean, I think it could go to 34 potentially. You're watching Geographic Explorers looking at high probability places that we have in the next earthquake. Oh. Let me sit up here. I got my sling off this afternoon. I was about to have a death by sling. I just could not take it anymore, so I took it off. But I am going to be trying very hard not to move my arm above my head. If you get out of this hole, you're out. Let's go, Tony. Oh, yeah, I'm going to make sure I don't move my arm above my head here. Just got to be careful with that. Let me bring the P&L down here for you guys, so you can see what we got going on. I think we ended the day up about $130, which is basically where we ended the night last night. I was up about $400 going into Power Hour. Completely just misread the Power Hour. Traded it not great. Obviously wasn't on stream, but yeah, just did not trade it great. I mean, you have sometimes like that, right? Where you just don't trade great. So I want to insert an ad right here for one. I'm going to test something. We're going to insert a little ad here. Some of you guys might get an ad. I don't have the ads on during the stream, so but we're going to give a little test here and see what happens. The sling trader, sling blade trader. What you got there, Warsh? You got some of them French fried taters. Anybody seen that movie? No. Oh. Maybe you have. I don't know. Who's seen that movie? Name that tune. Name that movie. Oh, man. Maybe you guys don't know that movie. Maybe you don't like that movie. I don't know. It was a little bit of an older movie. Little bit of an older movie. Sling blade. Yes, that's it. Tambry. Some people call it a Kaiser blade. I call it a sling blade. French fried taters. That was a great movie, huh? A great, great movie. Toyota truck recall is worse than what you think. Oh, what happened? If we are to judge by how it's going lately for me, your bias is very clear. It's losing money. Yeah, Billy Bob Thornton was great in that movie. Who else was in that movie? What's her name? What is her name? Goodness. I cannot remember her name. I think that's the first, what was the name of that lady? I can't remember. Halle Berry, yeah. Halle Berry. Thanks, Chris. Halle Berry. No, it wasn't Tom Hanks. It was Billy Bob. Doing good, Future Trader. How you doing today? Doing good. Doing good. She's a dumping. Coming up on the 8 o'clock hour here. She's a dumper. That's interesting. There's 8 o'clock. Back to the 9:05s. Yeah. Does 8 o'clock, does it RIP us? We'll see. Oh, yeah, he was a guard. It wasn't Halle Berry. Oh, that was Monsters Ball. Yeah, that wasn't Billy Bob Thornton. Who was that? That wasn't Tom Hanks either. Was that Billy Bob? No, that was Billy Bob, right? Pretty sure that was Billy Bob. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Was that Halle Berry in that movie? I can't remember. Let me look. Google will do the work for us. He killed Dwight Yoakam. Yeah. So it's Billy Bob, John Ritter. Oh yeah, Lucas Black was a little kid. Who was the woman? I don't remember. I don't know who the woman was. Yeah, I guess Halle Berry was Monsters Ball. Right back up above the 912s here. I'm a little tempted to take this on like a funded account, but so we'll get the run through the 2150 here. $1,600 on gold. Dang, what happened to gold? Yeah, nice little boner there on gold, huh? Nice little boner candle. Gold said, I will rippage for you. What kind of account was that on, Tony? Is that too much money? We are long here. ES is kind of pulling back. Oh, you just busted it? Oh, minus 1,600. Is that what you're saying? Tim Korth, good morning or good afternoon. Yes, right there at the whole number there. Right at the whole number, bouncing off of it. Get this pushed back above 7,000. See if it wants to do it. Nasdaq again kind of holding up there at the 12. I am long routine. A Hobbit bunker house you want to start it maybe this summer. Interesting. You're supposed to sing 100, but you're looking at a different account. Not sure if it's busted or not. Yeah, plus 1600 should be good. You should be good. I don't know. I'd like ES to hold above the 98 here, really. It would be ideal. If it doesn't, could kind of be in trouble there, but guys, remember we only need 18 more subs to get to 8,500. If we can get that going tonight, that'd be nice. Appreciate you guys if you could do that for me. So if you are not yet subscribed, it's free. It costs nada. Sub-a-dub-dub-dub-dub. Let's go. So right now it's just kind of holding up there at the 12 level, kind of right there at my entry. Consolidate, consolidate, consolidate. Cave trader in the house. Where's the Hulk Smash boner candle when you need it? One Hulk Smash boner candle. Don't be shy. Break out the boner candle. It's going all right, Cave. We're in a trade right here. Long 2 micros from 912, so we'll see what happens. You're going to live in the ground. Lost. You slap silly. Biblical, what up? Rolling Hills, the perfect house community. Shanghai and Hong Kong open are at 30 after, are they? Black Phoenix in the house. The market is slow tonight, guys. It is slow tonight. Nutty Bar would take everybody for a ride in a Microsoft Flight Simulator when it was like this. Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, Black Phoenix. Probably a smart move. Unfortunately, I don't have those fancy smancy simulators and stuff. I don't have it. We don't got it. Lady Seek You passed your second apex this morning after CPI data. Let's go. Cautiously trading tonight. Yeah, it's a good idea. TJP in the house. What up? Hit the like buttons on your way in, guys, please. Play some Amish music. Nah. Just need a $50 joystick. Yeah, and the ability to actually fly it. You want me to get some Amish music going? Some Ben and Rose. Excuse me. A little Ben and Rose action. All right, she's testing the 98. Oh, I got a tickle. Testing the 98 here. Kurt in the house. Oh, don't even. Yeah, no, I know, Tam. Can't deal with Apex. How can you trade to make a? You have to make a video. Yeah. It's not hard for me, obviously, because you know, can make a video pretty easily. All right, might get stopped out on this, guys. I don't know. Kind of at the line in the sand here. If it doesn't hold this area, it might just push lower. She might just push lower. I don't know. If it does, this would be the first time this trade has failed in quite a while. Past my funded account. Now I have to make 2K to withdraw. Kurt, from which prop firm? Now I got to double it to pat. Oh, well, did you already? Is the day ended though, Tony? So in other words, is it already reported? Because if not, you could lose money on it. If it's an eval, I always suggest just losing the money. It's easier that way. Lose the money. 4 traders prop firm? I never heard of that one. I mean, that's pretty normal. All right, can we squeeze up here? Let's see. Rip it. When you try to lose, you make even more sometimes. You could go to you could just exit. You could just exit, enter and exit, enter and exit. You can use the, you could use silver. I'd probably bracket order silver, figure out what I needed, and I'd probably lose it there. So, you gonna prank good old Nutty? You're good at losing money. Me too. I'm good at it. Donovan in the house. Yeah, silver's bipolar, but you could easily lose some money there. You could easily do it. Maybe I'm a little bipolar too. I don't know. 17 more subscribers to get to the 8,500, guys. If you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh, do we do a giveaway tonight? I don't know. Do we do it? Do we dare? Oh, you don't remember where you started? Uh-oh. All right, ES is getting back, trying to get back above 98 here. Trying. Nasdaq's at that 21 EMA on the 5-minute. Kind of held it so far tonight. Kind of held it. Oh, let me see if, let me check something. You gonna let it ride? All right. Well, the problem is, Tony, if you let it ride, like, think about this. You got to think about it from this perspective, okay? Got to think about it from this perspective. Let's say you made $1,600. And you could only make, I don't know what you could make, though. I mean, you should be able to make $1,500 a day on a 50K account. Harrison, we'll still do a giveaway. We'll see. Let's see. I don't know, what size account is that? I mean, it's got to be a 50K, right? So what are you, only over by $100? Yeah, just lose the $100. There's no point in having to make 1,600 again when you can lose the 100 and still just only have to make 1,500. Yeah, I would just lose 100. That way you have to make 100 less. Think about how you're going to feel if you don't lose the 100, and then you come within 100 of passing it and you blow it. I would lose the 100. Just set up a bracket. Go 1 mini, 19 ticks. 19 ticks as your stop loss. No take profit. And short. Short right now. I think we're bullish. So short right now, and I don't know. Or long, whatever. I mean, you can't really go wrong at this time of night. It's going to go one way or the other. And just leave it. Don't close it. Just leave it. Just leave that thing on there. That's all you got to do. Nothing to it. I guess we'll go ahead and do the giveaway. Why not? Well, we'll start it. Oh, we're going to do a 50K MyFinna Futures account. Core. 50K MyFinna Futures core account. Push down, fill that gap. Hit the previous day close. Exclamation point MM in the chat. I would like us to push into the 8,500 subs. If we get there, it'd be great. If not, that's okay. I don't want anybody coming in here botting me. So we don't want to be botted to get there, you know? No thanks on the botted. Now I remember what I was going to do. Huh. I was going to check on Husk and see if he's in this trade. He should be streaming. Where's Husk at? Where is Husk? I mean, he should be on my main page. I don't know why he's not. All right, there he is. Where is he long from? 9:15, I think. Gold want to hit 34. Yeah, that's what I called out earlier, Tony. I said I thought gold might go to 34. 34 now, I think you might get a little reaction up in there. Silver to the moon as always. Somebody called out the 9 EMA. I think it might have been. I think it might have been design. But look how silver just rides that 9 on the 5-minute chart here. I mean, just rides the 9 EMA just right where it goes. Food for thought. Food for thought. Little food for thought there. You're long at 9:11. Let's go, Tim. That's a great entry. I like it. It's a great entry. Florida Boss Man. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Squeezy, squeezy. Get through that high there. I think we get one of those Hulk smash boner candles through this high here. Just one of those Hulk smash. Whoop. Doing good, Florida Boss Man. How about yourself? Looking for 935. Nice. I'm looking for 937. I like it. 937 is not even a level. That's just 25 points. We're looking for 25 points off that level. So I was in this trade on my funded accounts and I took it off. I moved the stop in and I got stopped out. So $13. Feels bad. Feels bad, man. I took it off, but that's all right. ES is supposedly at the VWAP here. I don't know if that's where the VWAP actually is or not. You trade fibs 935s to 50? Gotcha. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I use the fibs as well. Wacko Rez, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. All right, see if it's going to get up there and tickle our stop again, or if it's going to, or is it going to quadruple top or something up here? Is it going to quadruple top? Wacko, get into the giveaway! Exclamation point MM in the chat. You Florida Boss Man, you as well. Jump into the giveaway. 50K core account for My Fund of Futures. Can't beat it. Free is free. Yeah, I got to get through 925. I agree. We're kind of banging our head on that level, so I think if we do get through there, it's going to be a bit of a, we might get a little bit of a squeeze candle through there. Now, you know, squeeze candle this time of night, 5 points, 8 points, something like that. What up, Wackerez? What's your question? What's your question? Started trading futures tomorrow, but I only have $300. Yeah, I would. What have you traded before, WACRES? If you have no trading experience, then do not spend the $300. If you have trading experience and you're comfortable and you can get payouts, then just buy a prop account. Have you ever had a payout, WACRES? You ever had a payout? Move stop loss to cover transaction fee. You trade options a lot. Well, futures are going to be definitely be different. Yeah, if you never had a payout, I would not even start with money. I would start on a sim account. So maybe buy a prop account that can also give you a sim account for free to go along with it, and just only trade the sim account. Practice in that. Perfect your craft. And then you can move into trading, in a prop account trying to get a payout. Don't start in the prop account trying to go for a payout because you're just going to blow it. And I'm not saying that to be negative towards you. It's just the reality, right? 90% of traders fail, and the reality is you most likely blow that account. You lose your money. It's a waste of money at that point. So start in the sim. Find a strategy that works for you. Find a... are you going to scalp? Are you going to be intraday swing trading? That sort of thing. I would just start with a sim account. Me personally. You can buy a Buellanox account for like $30, and then you can get a free sim account to go along with it if you use Ninja.
What you doing?
All right. Sorry about that. My daughter came in here talking to me. Well, it got right there. What, a couple of points from the from the target, and then pulled back from the first target. Whoever said you make money when you want to lose was right. Don't take profit, Tony. Don't take profit. You got to just put it on and leave it. Don't get scared, because what you got to understand, this time of night, this is what this is going to do this time of night. So no matter if you long or you short, you're going to eventually lose money, right? So just put it on and just hold it. I like Nasdaq better, but ES is fine too. ES is, if you're a more patient person, you could trade ES. Just put it on and don't take it off. All right, just kind of playing with our emotions here. This is what the market does this time of night, guys. It plays with your emotions. You can't move the stop. You move the stop, you're going to get stopped out, and then she's just going to go anyway. So she's just going to go anyway. New 15-minute candle here. That's the little twitchiness that we're getting. Oh, you're on gold? Yeah. What'd you do? Did you short it or did you long it? I probably would have shorted it to lose money. Sherry in the house. What up? Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to join the fun of the giveaway. All right, let's see here. Can we get above that high there and get this Hulk Smash Boner candle going? Yeah, gold's not bad in the evening. You're up 600. That's all right. Just give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Give it time. What's my big one trade profit? I think it was like 225 points or something. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm a scalper, so I don't go like for big moves. What up, Smoky Bear? My typical target is like 10 to 15 points. I mean, if ES can break the VWAP here, we can go. Just keep getting rejected at the VWAP. Really in a range here, guys. Very, very, very small range. We're kind of long about mid of the range. Not at the top, but not at the bottom. The past few nights you've been making almost as much on as New York in Q on gold. Nice. What up, Pegasus? Hmm. Hmm. It's pretty good, Smokey Bear. We didn't make that much money, but it's fine. Markets are scary. I don't know. It's okay. You just got to find your direction and stick to it. Just kind of unable to get going here. Very choppy, Pegasus. Very choppy. But at some point that'll change. Which direction that it's going to change in, I have no idea. I have no clue. See, the EMAs here are pretty flat. Pretty flat. Golden Eagle, what up? What up? Let's see if this thing wants to bounce. I don't really know. Does she bounce? 900? There's a lot of back and forth here in the range. Kind of a little 2-minute trend line going here. Could be a spot here. Nice little bounce. Nice recovery. Going to have a hell of a time trying to get over 925. If I were you, I'd be taking profits. David, this is okay. If it loses, I'm okay with that. Completely okay. Let's go, Tony. Nice job. I'm okay with that. Like with this trade, I take it every time that it presents itself. So like if it loses, it loses. I mean, like you just have to accept, you have to accept that. I just know over time, if I take this trade every night, it's going to win. It's going to, or every time it presents itself, it's going to win in the long run. So it's going to make money, is what I should say. It's going to be profitable. Dun, 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 dun. I like this trade, David. I mean, I do think I see that we're just kind of banging into that. There's a 5 minute order block there. I mean, there's a couple of things there kind of holding us down. Could we sell off of it? Yeah, we could. I don't know. Exactly. Just stick to your rules, and I mean, it's all good. I mean, if it loses, it loses. Not the end of the world. It'd be $100 loss if it loses. 5 minute kind of looks like it's about to break structure here. Potentially. Although it's not a real clean break of structure, but yeah, sweeping the low there. There's the sweep of the low on the ES. What up, Sappy Grunge? Rip it! Rip it! I'm trying to encourage it to turn around. Trying to encourage it. It's not listening to me, though. Oh. So yes, losing the 98 there, which is kind of a key level earlier today. Each time that we lost the 98 earlier today, we sold pretty hard. So is that what's going to happen now? I don't know. Maybe. Certainly needs to get back above 98 to continue the push. It certainly does. Kind of losing that key area. Five-minute candle closes in 25 seconds here. Really need to get back above 910 on the 5 minute here before the close. Otherwise, it's probably going to stop me out. I would lean towards that. This just has to be a little grab, a little trap here if it doesn't. So it tried to close back up there. Kind of got close to it, not quite. Kind of leads me to believe it might go down. Might. It could just be trap. Could be an overshoot. It's the only thing we can do. See if it's an overshoot. If it's an overshoot, awesome. If it's not, it's all good. We look for a better spot. I'm not going to move the stop or anything like that. Because if it stops me out, you know, a lot of times you stop yourself out, then it just goes in your direction anyway. So you may as well just trust the trade, right? Just trust it. Just trust the trade. What's gold doing? I mean, really just grinding up, right? Silver's still holding that 9 EMA there. Trust the trend for your friend. Yeah, I don't really know if we got a trend here, though, do we? Kind of just choppy. I mean, overall trend's probably still up, but why is it so why is it not why does it seem kind of like I want to just buy the 88? I want to buy the 9 EMA on silver. What is the micro silver ticker? Is it MSI? MG. I don't see it. SIL. I thought that my fund of futures had the micro silver ticker. Maybe they don't. MGC. That's gold. Oh, it looks better on the higher time frames. Nice. What up, Mo? Can we get a Bubba Sparks and ugly something? SLV. I thought my fund of futures had it. I don't see it. I could be overlooking it though. I don't see it. Oh, they don't have it on my fund of futures? Sorry. Well, yeah. Never mind. Never mind. I see gold on there. So trying to find a little support here at the 900, the open price. SIL. Is it on? Do you see it on there? They're changing the tick price. You found it? I didn't see it. SI. I don't see it. So that's SI. Oh, it's not that one. don't see it. I mean, I am kind of blind though, so. All right, looks like I might get stopped out here. Potentially. Potentially. Type in micro silver. I don't know if mine pops up like that. What up, Harlan? How can you do what? Micro silver. Oh, is this it? Is it MST? Not gonna worry about it, right? We will check it later. All right, breaking down here. Breaking down. I'll check it another time. No worries. Thank you, guys. We'll check it later. I don't spend too much time on it. It's all right. Yeah. You're on TradingView through TradingView. Oh, okay, I got you. Do I try to work out of this or do I just let it go? I don't know. I'm thinking just let it go and just look for another entry. That's what I'm thinking. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I do appreciate it. We are going to do a giveaway for a 50K MyFinna Futures Core account. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Stop me out there. For a $100 loss. Again, once it kind of broke structure there, on the 5-minute especially, you kind of got the feeling you're probably going to get stopped. But it's not a situation where, like I said before, where I'm going to try to... I'm not going to try to... I'm going to let it play out. Because sometimes, there's been times in the past where it's been 20 points down, that kind of thing, and then all of a sudden it comes back. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. So look at that wick there. ES down to 93. Yes, I'm using Take Profit Trader, Bulanox, MyFinna Futures, Apex, Trade Day, Lucid, and Tradeify. All those. We got 10 minutes until the top of the hour. We are in the macro now. You can't trade it with TPT? Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I think I knew TPT. I wasn't sure, though, with the other ones. Oh, I get what Harlan was. I must have missed his question. How can he get that on there? Probably on Tradevate. Yeah. Thanks, One Trade Day. So ES is kind of holding the 93 here. If ES could kind of retest 98 there and we get a little bit of a rejection, or if we kind of get a pushback up into like 903, then I might look for a short out of that area. We'll see. We're back inside that PM high, so shorts kind of make sense at this point, but we'll see. Yeah, possibly fear the. Gonna need a push up though. Gonna be patient with it. There's no need to do anything crazy. Shocker, right? Silver broke all-time high. Shocker. It did. It certainly did. I mean, what you doing, gold? You're lagging behind. Get going, bro. Silver's like, you can't see me, bro. All right, Tony B. Appreciate ya. Guys, if you've not hit the subscribe button, we need 13 subs to get to 8,500. I think you can get me there. Stock Queen, I am on from between 6 and 10 p.m. at some point Sunday through Thursday. So sometime between 6 and 10 p.m. And then I am on 9:15 to 11:15 Monday through Friday Eastern Time for the New York session on my own channel. And then at 11:15 or 11:30, I move over to My Funded TV to stream with Bull Barbie between 11:30 and 12:30, 5 days a week. So. And sometimes I'll toss in a little power hour stream. It just depends on what I got going on that day. So, depends on what we got going on that day. Is ES going to hold the 93 here? It's kind of the question. I don't know. Does not look like it is. Really got a lot of room kind of to the downside here potentially. Really want this candle to hold above this 83.50. If you're looking to long. Closes below that level, I think we just drop. I'm on the 2 minutes. The 2-minute time frame currently. Two plays, two losses. Now I'm long MNQ. Do you think it might bounce? It could, Silva. For sure it could. 8.99. I mean, but it could dump. I mean, it's like it could go either way, right? Here. It looks like it wants, it's kind of looking like it wants to bounce. But all that could change in one swoop. No dump, please. Yeah. I mean, if the candle closes below 83.50, then I'm probably going to short. As long as it holds below it, above it, I'm just going to sit here. As long as it holds above it, I'm sitting here. Last candle of the hour. Yeah, we do have the top of the hour coming up as well, so anything can happen there for sure. Max said, woof. Dun, 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 dun. Silver smoking again, yeah. Just rippage. Just rippage. Anybody hitting the silver crack pipe? Let that thing go. That thing is just going. $45 seconds to the top of the hour. $883 TPT 899. Stop loss 878. Let's go. Good luck. You're in from 89.32 Lavender. That's great. It's a great trade. All right, 20 seconds, top of the hour here. Let's see what happens. Can she go? You blew in an account on silver last week? Yeah. Easy to do. Easy to do, that's for sure. Top of the hour. The silver rocket ship continues. Yeah. I mean, ES is just pinned to the 93 for now. Is Nasdaq going to get a little rocket ship going here, a little boner? I don't know. I think I'll stab here. Maybe. try to get the push back up into like 90, near that 50 EMA or 21 EMA there. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw the stop. What is that? Oh, did it put, what? What is this? Oh, it already had a take profit on there. Or did it not? Yeah, something like that. We'll see if it can squeeze. If it can't, then I just get stopped. It's okay. If it gets back below the low. 896 says DB. Hey, that's right where my take profit is. Let's go, DB. I like the way you think. I like the way you think. All right, guys, we still need 13 subscriptions in order to get to 8,500. We need to get those subscriptions to do the giveaway. So if you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Jump over to your alt account. Hit the subscribe button on that. Call your cousin, your mother, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your daddy, your dog, your goldfish, your, I don't know, your squirrel. I mean, whatever you got, have them subscribe. Call your wife's boyfriend. Call your boyfriend, whatever. Get them in there. I actually might just take profit at 93. Eh. And if this candle closes below this line, I am going to get out and I am going to short. But we'll see. Boom, boom, boom. New 2-minute candle here. 52 seconds on the new 5-minute. The EMA is still in a downward trend. Yeah, they are for sure, right? You're telling your wife to call my girlfriend so she can subscribe. Let's go, David. You the man. You the man. I'm glad you guys all get along. Yeah, Alfred, silver's just ripping. Starting to get a little pullback on silver. I mean, just a little. I didn't quite make it to that 90. Let's go, Lady Seek. Thank you. I appreciate you. You the man. You the man. You the man. Should touch the 20 EMA at 896 and bottom wick. We'll see. Yeah, Skeptic Cash. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing. It's still pushing. All right, guys. If it closes below the line, I am going to be out and I'm going to short. Because I think at that point, I think that we're probably just going to go down now. I mean, we don't have a whole lot kind of holding us up here. That's a good target. If ES kind of gets back above 93 and we start to squeeze, then we'll know we're just on the, we just got kind of trapped. Oh, I need to move this up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the 21 EMA here. Normally, I would take a trade off that. Not directly off that, but as a potential trade. Could see a tap and break of 802. I mean, maybe. That's quite a ways down there. Man, I'm trying to look at targets. I mean, really don't have like 848 looks kind of juicy. We'll see. We shall see. We only need 11 more subscribers and we'll do the giveaway. 11 more subs. I'm holding you guys hostage for the 11 more subs. I might actually go bigger size here. Although I don't really need to be honest. Because if this hits, it would still be red, but just only by like 20 bucks. It looks that way, right, God Chosen? It looks that way. Good call on the 89. It did hit the 90 on the pushback up there. Somebody said that. I don't know who said that. Or no, I think he said 896. Never mind. DB. Close, though. I wouldn't mind a 96 retouch. Like you could add into it. Get a little wick. Be all right. You got 40 seconds on the 5-minute candle here. Really, if the 5-minute candle can kind of close below the low here, it's going to be pretty solid. Pretty solid. Should get a little more expansion. I mean, we are in a 5-minute gap, but like, I don't see anything holding it up here. That was the scary part about the long. Like, once I got stopped out, you could just flip short there, but I just wanted to wait for a little extra confirmation. Little wiki there to the downside. And the 5-minute candle's closing there. Looks okay. The NQ is already back at the lower. The NQ does not have that wick on it. NQ hasn't been below 76 yet. Yellow line is a VWAPI, the one up here. White line's the 50 EMA, red's the 21, blue's the 9. Blue is the 9. Like I said, you may see me go in with about 5 micros for a 5-point scalp. At a certain point here, if we get a little bit of a pop, I'll do it. If we don't, we won't. And so I don't mind this. Although if the ES does kind of reclaim 93, that's going to be a little scary. Probably do get stopped out at that point. I'll add for the pushback below the 9 EMA there. I'm going to go with 7 micros, look for 5 quick points. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I like 896 also. It's kind of like up there with the 21 EMA too. But I'm okay with this. Move that down just a little bit. I could actually take it at the actual short. The actual short would be 880. Let's see how this candle closes. Yeah, it could be Thumper, like, right? I mean, very well could be. Very well could be. I don't know, Mo. Mo, why you always fade me, bro? We'll see what happens. That's all we can do. New 5-minute candle here. Went short 3 and Q instead of a micro. It happens, fear thee. Were you able to get out? Oh, when I do that, I usually just close it right away. That's just me, but riding it until death. Till death do you part. Thanks for the free account. Jonathan, you welcome. Thanks for the support. You've been on for 3 hours. Dang. That's crazy. Nice hold, though. I don't know if I could do it. I don't know if I could do it. I'm going to go ahead and add those right there. I added those actually kind of late, but it's fine. Hey, add again at 88.50. $88.50 will trigger the short. You learned that trading Forex? Oh, let's go. 88.50 would actually trigger the short here. So that is the trigger for the shorts, right? I don't know if it actually hit it to the tick. All right, out of the ad. All right, there we go. The blue line is the 9 EMA. Look for the push down into the 850 here. I'm really going to hold this for the 850. We'd still be small red. Have we got the 8,500 yet? Do we do it? No, we still need 11, guys. We still need 11 subs to get 8,500. Man, you know what? 180 in profit. Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and add here. I'm going to add 5 there because I think that we should at least run this low. It's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'll spread these out a little bit. If I get stopped out, I'm okay with it. Switch it back to micro. Let's go. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Want to see it kind of get us out of these ads pretty quickly here. Exclamation point MM if you want to enter the giveaway. Tomorrow's going to be a wild day. Yeah, they probably will, Penny. You know? ES is putting in a higher low there as well. Well, we might get stopped out here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, where's the 96? That wick's up there. 99. Yeah, I think the 900 should be fine. DA. Good night. $78. Probably going to add aggressively at like 96. And if it doesn't, let's see, 96, we'll go. Do a 1-to-1 there. Kind of creating a range here. Top the range now. We are short, like bottom-ish of the range, which is not the greatest in the world. Not the greatest. Guys, are we going to be able to do the giveaway? Are we going to be able to get the subscribers? I don't know. We still need 11 subscribers. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Again, I'll add up here at 96 aggressively. It either works and we end up green, or it doesn't work and we end up red. Biblical. You'll unsubscribe. That defeats the purpose. I'm getting kind of tired, guys. This slow price action's wearing me out. It's wearing me out. Let's sit up. Probably should get a little music going. That might help. Let's get some music going. I'm going to add at the 96. Oh, yeah, skip at. Maybe that can wake me up. There we go. Tagged in. Let's see if it can get a quick rejection here. Maybe. What up, Sean? You heard cocaine can wake you up? Not me. That's not for me, man. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Come on, get back below 90 here. We get a little death candle going. Can we do it? Get back below 90. Death candle it. Death candle. It's looking heavy. Maybe, DB. I'd like it to. We just need that red death candle here. I don't know if we get it. I really don't. Again, guys, exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. A free 50K core account for My Funded Futures. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Can it do it? Can it do it? I don't know. I mean, we break 90, we're gonna see that red candle going down pretty quickly. But I don't know if we break 90. I don't know if we do it. I mean, we can, but whether it wants to, I don't know. You know, like inside bars, 5 minute looks like up. Yeah, it could. I mean, we did put in an order block there on the 5 minute. Little bullish OB. But if we could just retest the middle of that or something, that would be enough. Just need a little push down here. We don't need much. Not asking for much here. 10, 12 points. That's it. A new 5 minute candle here in 35 seconds. For your system, since it couldn't stay below 75, it was an 81 buy, but 98 would be your short. Nice. Yeah, exactly. But come on. I just need a few points. Come on. Just a few points. That's all we need. Nothing crazy. You keep blowing fundeds? Oh, that sucks, man, Devin. At least you're blowing them on day 1 and not like day 10, day 11, I guess. You know? Just looking at the, trying to make a positive out of it, right? At least you're doing it on day 1. Come on, you can do it. Causes. All right. I'm down to 1. We'll see if we can get to the low. Oh, we have more than one buy on? Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, it looks that way, but I don't know. Play the range, yeah. That's what we're waiting on. Here comes the dump. Yeah, I was waiting there, but ES retesting the 93, I just decided to just get out. Down to 1 micro. Could be Devin. Could be options. I don't know. Options are kind of a scary game. A scary game. Well, kind of over leveraged there. We got out of it. Let's go. Higher low, higher low, higher low here. Not a good look for the shorts. Could potentially just go, but yeah. Could also do the other thing. You don't know. Thanks, Biblical. Just trying to get out there. Does it hold below 95 for a third time? I don't know if I should test that. 19 short for your system for the first short. You use the 25s, 50s. Okay. On centuries. What is centuries? What does that mean, Cobot? I'm not sure what that means. We got to kind of break out of this little trend line that we got here. Oh, the 100s. I got you. Yeah, I know somebody who does that exact same thing. I've been looking at that. I haven't done it yet. But yeah, it is an interesting concept. I know somebody who trades exactly like that. Hey, Humble Max, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Asia range is pretty small. 50 points. ES says it needs to go down lower, or the volume profile says it needs to go lower, but that could be sooner or later tonight. I tend to agree. If we're this is an A plus setup here. Sweep 69, recover 77, long it. So it's kind of what I need to happen. Or even this, test 59, recover 64. Those are the levels that I'm kind of looking for. So I do think we probably sell. You got to remember, ES did sweep all-time highs today. It made new, didn't it? Or wait. No, did it make all-time highs today? I think it did, right? Yeah. Yeah, it made all-time highs. So a bit of a pullback here. Kind of, I guess, you don't always expect a pullback at all-time highs, but Nasdaq is not close to all-time highs. I mean, got like 600, 700 points away. We'll see if when we kind of get into the macro, if we break this trend line, I will add. We'll kind of see what happens there. If we can break that trend line, that would be a good sign to the downside. Just kind of built up a little trend line here. We need to break it. You know, just kind of generating liquidity. Touch, touch. Maybe one more, two more touches here. Again, I don't mind adding to this position. I really don't mind. I do like how we're generating this trend line liquidity here. And then maybe that top of the hour kind of runs it. But I will likely look for a scalp if it breaks it. I mean, theoretically, ES kind of has the same look. And it already kind of broke it on the 1 minute. You're in short at 88, stop at 901. Let's go. Good luck. Guys, 80% off Apex. Use code MYTH if you want to help support the channel. MYTH. MYTH. 83% off Bulenox. Use code MM. All the other prop firms, the code is MM. Trade Day, MM. Take Profit Trader, MM. My Funded Futures, MM. Funded Futures Network, MM. Funded Next, MM. Tradeify, MM. Day Traders, MM. Legends, I don't have a code with them. Lucid, MM. Yeah, I don't know if I missed anybody. You get the drift. You get the drift. Already broke it here. I'm going to add 2 here. I'm not going to go like crazy with it. But breaking, losing the 90, breaking the trend line. ES already broke structure. Just need ES to break the 90 or the 93 there and we'll go down. Can break that 93 here, we get a little elevator. We do have a new 15-minute candle coming up in about 10 seconds. 15 minutes from the top of the hour. Lose the 80s, the 15 plus 30-minute bear flag starts to play out. Nice. Here's a new 15-minute candle. ES holding up there at the 93. We need it to lose it for us to go. All right, ES testing 93 again here. I normally like to have a little bit of a higher time frame break of structure to kind of pair with this. Don't really have it here because there's not really a trend line on the 5-minute, to be honest. Well, it's not the best. It's not the best. Dun, 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 dun. Man, we lost a subscriber. Oh, man. What did we do? If somebody subscribed just to enter the giveaway, you're not going to win, just so you know. You got to be a subscriber to win. Can't win if you're not subscribed. He is holding the 93 right now. Still just holding it. Zoom here. Zoom here. Design here. Every night seems like we're talking about silver making an all-time high. Man, I am kind of tempted to... How much is that? $500 stop. It's a $500 stop if I long here. Elijah Fade, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. Get a man. Mo, hopefully so. Uh-oh, Biblical has cock-blocked you. He put on 15 silver minis. I think he lost 1 million. Holy cow. I could do it in my my eval account here and see if I can make $1 million. I mean, I think you could long here with a stop at 505 and kind of target 695. So you could. I think that's reasonable. No, let me get back on my 5-minute chart. Once again. Gold has been bouncing off the 5-minute 14 EMA all night. 1 million daily payout. Let's go. If you hit it right, right? If you hit it right. Thing is, you take profit, though. Yeah, for sure, Mo, it has. Sleazeball pop places will allow micros. That would be nice. Yeah. What up, Corey the Phone Trader? How you doing, bud? All right, new 5-minute candle here. Can we get this thing going? We've been kind of glued right here to this area. It's just not really going anywhere. I think so too, design. I mean, it just looks like it's ready to get... I mean, it's already went, obviously, but like... Oh, it hit my target. So it hit 695 to the tick there. Could have long there with a stop at 510. Would have worked, but I was too scared to risk $500. Send a letter, claw back the hours I've been spent watching you forging sleep. All right, Mo, we'll get you a little clawback going. A little clawback action. Well, dang, now we just gained a subscriber and then now we lost 2 more. All right. I see how it is. I see how it is. Playing with my subscribers. It's like playing with my emotions. All right, let's see what's up. What'd I do? Something else? A little pullback. I mean, design, you are right about that 9 EMA, though. Look at that on the 5-minute. I mean, look at the 5-minute 9 EMA right here. I mean, just buy, 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 buy. I mean, in hindsight's, you know, easy enough, right? Easy enough. Kids, use your YouTube account and subscribe to all sorts of stuff. You got to delete noise once a week. Oh, 21 works well. Exactly, Coco. We should do that. I mean, how hard could it be? What could really go wrong? Your four mistresses found out about your girlfriend and they unsubscribed. Damn it, David. I thought I could trust you on that. Everyone kept saying gold was overextended at 3K. Yeah. That's what happens. And they're like, all right, let me short it. Let me short it. Let me short it. And the next thing you know, pew, it works all the time until you enter the cycle. Jonathan, just let me know before you enter. That way I can make a decision. Oh, Jonathan's entering right here. Let me short. Let me short. All right, is the top of the hour here going to give us what we need? Hey, Clevdian Evtai. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. Sorry that I butchered your name. You the man. Tory 10 lines are working. Yeah, well, not yet. Not yet, Mo. They're almost working. 65% of the time, it works every time. I could tell you a story about that kind of 65% of the time type thing, but it's inappropriate for YouTube. And I don't know who's watching. You know, I have no idea who's watching. Oh. I don't know who's watching. You was trading the micro silver and thought I passed this eval, but I had too much and went over the consistency rule. Now you have to make another 700. Yeah, on the evals, I always say just lose the money, Cobot. Mysterious. That's right, Mo. I don't know who's watching. You got to be careful what you say. Uh-oh. That new 955 candle bounced it. I mean, there are reasons here to think that this might just go up. There are some reasons. Joom is always watching. Yeah. Darrell's always watching. Joom and Darrell sitting shoulder to shoulder. Actually, we should put Joom next to Scott. Joom and Scott sitting shoulder to shoulder. Eating popcorn. Reminiscing on life. And prop firms of Christmas past. So, I'll do the Tory type glow up. Yeah, in Speedos. That's right. We can't forget the Speedos. Rubbing Tom Sabo's hairy back. Something like that. All right, we're back to 90. So we just need 10 more. You keep getting cooked. He's over there on the grill. I can see Corey over there on the grill like, oh, let me short this. No stop loss. So, yeah, David. I mean, like, I don't know. I'm just looking at my stop here. It's not, to be honest, I mean, there's the liquidity on both sides here. So I don't really know which way. I don't know which one is going to take first. Right? If I just take this trend line and we move it here, then this trend line to the upside actually looks a little bit cleaner as far as liquidity. It has more touches. If I look at it like this. So, I don't know. Gold will be at 5K very soon, probably, right? London probably pumps it up. It could, Mo. London trend, it tends to reverse and retrace the move, right? And you see, ES is holding the 93 here. I don't know. And the thing that I don't like is like the fact that the 5-minute kind of has a trend line to the upside, but not really to the downside. So Like, this is not really, I mean, I guess, sort of. So I don't know, could kind of go either way here. Really 50-50. 50-50. Silver to 100, I mean, makes sense, right? Probably. Look at that silver right off that freaking 9 EMA again, guys. I'm going to have to try that one day. We're going to try it one day. Not today, but one day. I'm going to move that stop up. The other way to look at it is we are in a downtrend momentum and we're consolidating, so good chance we're absorbing buyers right now, and once we exhaust all the buyers, we go down. Yeah, that could be true too. And you could just get a little, that's why I'm kind of moving the stop up, because like at the top of the hour, it could just kind of sweep that wick and then kind of go down. So I may add into it if it does that. We'll see. Cars to phones, tech prices to go higher. Maybe. We'll do the giveaway as soon as I get out of this trade. Top of the hour in about 40 seconds. So we're going to know. I mean, I don't know. It may not do much, but yeah, I'm a full-time trader, Scott McDaniel. It is messing around massive. However, I do not live off my trading profits. I'm very transparent about that. I live mostly off of my affiliate income. And there's the push. How do you qualify for the giveaway? You just got to type in the chat !MM. Yeah, easy, lazy. I stream at night from somewhere between 6 and 10 p.m. every single night, Sunday through Thursday. So Sunday is usually 6 to 10. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, since it's a little bit slower, like sometimes 7:30, 7:45 to 10, something like that. So we own, we here. And we're going to be doing a giveaway, Izzy Lizzy. If you want to enter the giveaway !MM in the chat to join the giveaway for a 50K core My Thunder Futures evaluation. Get in there. Yeah, I was only during the day, but like, you know, I decided to, my channel wasn't really growing as fast as I wanted it to do. And I know there's a lot of opportunity here in the evenings, so just taking advantage of that. Taking advantage. Sean C is disqualified from the giveaway. He is disqualified. Disqualified. Just kidding. Oh. Sean, would you join it if it was a TPT account? Just curious. Just curious, Sean. If it was an old TPT, would you join? He'd say, why not? Let's get in there. Look at this thing. I mean, the top of the hour really didn't do much there. You'd rat. Oh, goodness. I may have to just get out of this, guys. I don't know. I don't love it. Marco, Sean is banned. He's banned from TPT. Apparently, sending the customer service representative, a full nude is frowned upon. So it's frowned upon. Good luck, Lolo. Long yes. I mean, it looks like it, right? Mostly because you don't trade Asia anymore. They're going all right, Geo. Not too bad. It was a great nude. All right, there it goes, guys. There it goes. He is asking for a different type of discount code. Yeah, for sure. You seen that nude as users' avatars? Oh. Yeah, David, I might. I want to see how it reacts once it kind of finishes running this trend line. We'll see. I might spam the short button. E-Tech in the house. If you guys are new here and you're not yet subscribed, I'm going to be doing a giveaway !MM in the chat, but hit the subscribe button so we can make that happen. All right, I'm going to add into this a few. See if we can kind of retest. We can go 3 more. I want to see a retest of the 93. I'm just going to try to get out. I'm not going to be like, I'm not going to be greedy here or anything like that. We're just going to try to get out. Just give me a little retracement. I think I'll go stop at like the 9, kind of like 9.10. Yeah. Somewhere around the 9.10. Do I trade gold? Sometimes, Geo, very rarely. So, silver's ripping. Oh, I'm not looking for a push, Izzy Lizzy. I'm actually short. So I'm just trying to get out at this point. We're just trying to get out. That's all. I do. I will sometimes look at gold and kind of, you know, chart it, but I don't always trade it. I don't really trade it that often. 912 as a long TP. Yeah, it could be. Could be. Very well could be. I'm tempted to add more here, but I don't know if I need to. No power bottoms, double top. Yeah, silver looks good here. All right, not going to be unreasonable here. I'm going to move the stop down to this wick. So risking about 10 points. So we're either going to get out, pretty much break even, or we'll be down $300. Those are the options. Yeah, silver's definitely scary. If we kind of break back below 900 there, we should be able to get that 95 retest. But we might get stopped. Very trappy action tonight. $912 is the PM high. All right, stop me out. So down 297. We'll keep it small. Scott, yeah, 9:15 to 11:15, and then I am on My Funded TV from 11:30 to 12:30, 5 days a week. So, all right, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. If silver pulls back here, let's see. Oh goodness! Oh, a little pullback. Nice little pullback in silver there. Am I gonna try it? Am I gonna try it? I'm gonna try it. I don't even know what the stop is here. I might try a little silver bounce. Kind of watching it. All right, I'm gonna try it. Why not? I don't think we got tagged in. It went without me. That was rude. I hit the bid and it went without me. Yeah, biblical, that's what I'm looking at. I hit the bid and it went without me. Can't leave it on there now. Yeah, I'm going to wait for it to retrace here one more time. Let's do like a 15 tick stop. Same, you know? I don't know what I have no idea what the spread is. All right, I'm in. No. Yes. All right, guys, you got 3 minutes to enter the giveaway. 3 minutes. Come on, Silver. Be nice to me. Be nice, Silver. Silver's not nice. Rude. Oh. Kind of sucks. The first bounce would have got me there. All right, got the timer set, guys. 3 minutes to get in the giveaway. I like the core account, biblical. That's what I like. Look at that, guys. It has not broken the 9 all night. And the one time I enter, it breaks the 9. Rude. Let's go, Fear. Yeah, I didn't get it. It didn't tag me in. It didn't tag me in. I mean, you know. You hate it when that happens? Yeah. Rude. It's rigged. Yeah, you need a shower after that. What up, Alexi? All right, guys. Exclamation point MM. You got 1 minute. 1 minute. If you are not yet subscribed, please do so. One more try. I shouldn't show you this degen stuff. Oh, I was going to move the stop in. Go! I'm just going to put the stop in. It's going to stop me. Yeah. All right. Let's draw the winner now. Let's quit doing that. Let's quit doing that. All right. The alarm's going off. Man, look at you. The Nasdaq's just taking off. Holy cow. I mean, where's that been all night? Where's that been all night? And the winner is Rodri T4D. Rodri T4D, where you at? Inside bars work well. Oh, yeah, I do see one there. Let me turn on the inside bar indicator on that. Let's make them white. Is Rodri here? Rodri, I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. I'm going to pin that to the top of the chat, and I need you to show me that you're logged into your YouTube. Screenshot it so I know it's you, and send me your My Fund of Futures email as well, included with that. So that's going to do it for me tonight, guys. I will be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. to greet you guys again. We are red tonight, 787. Boo-hoo. What are you going to do? Funded accounts are break even. So, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and